My name is Taysa Lynch. I work for Prevention Works Vermont. I'm a certified prevention specialist, and we are a statewide coalition who supports the coalitions in the state of Vermont. Yes, oh, it was magical. We hosted a workshop today with the professionals in Vermont who focus on prevention. We gathered today to go over the Vive18 toolkit. We did a lot of fun activities and learned some new strategies to work with the youth in Vermont. Yesterday we hosted our third prevention day. We had 104 professionals from across the state, not just prevention professionals, but across the continuum who gathered together to celebrate prevention and everything that means. We had legislators come, 40 plus students who came and represented really well. We were able to go over to the Capitol building and celebrate the youth that came. The senators rocked the house with them there and made them feel so powerful, which is exactly what we were trying to do. We had some additional grant monies that we needed to spend, so I put a blast out on our statewide listserv and had some referrals from CADCA, which was awesome, and I reached out immediately. We weren't sure what we were going to do, but this came to fruition over time, and we're so grateful it did. I am selling this all over the place. I think I've probably had 10 people ask me how to get you all to come back in, and so it's just happening naturally, and we couldn't be any more proud than we are right now. Vive18 is an amazing organization full of energy, compassion, kindness, energy, right? That's exactly what we all needed. Many reviews last night saying how cups were filled during the day, and just this energy is overwhelmingly helpful and motivating to get back to doing the hard work that we do. So my goal is to provide support to those that are doing the work on the ground, right? So we're not on the ground doing the things, but we're supporting all of the people that are. And we've heard recently that the people that are doing the work aren't feeling heard, they're not feeling seen, they're not feeling energized, they're not feeling supported even. And so specifically in the last year, we've really buckled down and wanted to make a change. And I think this was the perfect event to do that. And the feedback is saying that too. So Vermont is a very different state. We're very small, we're very rural. It's very tough to get into the field, right? And to feel comfortable, feel supported. And today, yesterday, across the board, we had prevention professionals, recovery professionals, and everything in between coming and sharing the same common goal, right? And I think Vive18 really hit home. Like, this is a curriculum that goes across the continuum. We're all doing the same work. It's about those coping skills, leadership skills, how we communicate effectively and positively, and how we build these kids up. And myself, I've got high energy, right? And I'm a hype girl. I love to empower people, and Vive18 just helps me do that. And thank you, because now my energy isn't so much because it was matched by others, and I saw others who don't have that energy level up throughout the day, and it was very powerful.